and I'm at the Furnas Terma Hotel and Spa in Azores, and this is a twin room 111. Something happened a little bit earlier, but I will tell you at the end. So here we have the bathroom, there's shower, sink, wall mounted hair dryer. You'll know that I don't like these. Toilet and the bidet. We have some closet space over here, so there's luggage rack, hangers, and a blanket. And here we have an in-room safe. I hate these twin beds, come on. Can you just have a huge king? Tea and coffee. And a minibar, which is probably complimentary because there's only like 3 items there. And by the way, if you ever come here, you need to have these passion fruit soda. It's excellent. And there's some water. And like I said, here's the bed, and you have very high ceilings, and chair, mirror, and a tiny TV. And well, I don't know if this is a window, if this is a door, but yeah, you can actually even basically jump outside, and you can see the hotel. So what I was actually saying earlier, I was absolutely horrified when I saw that this is actually part of Design Hotels, and it's even SPG participating in Design Hotel. I had no idea. I had booked this actually on Travelers City and using one of my best break guarantee coupons over there. So the price I paid there was right. But, well, I won't get points on my 5 stay, or I haven't actually stayed at the Design Hotel this year, although there's quite a few participating. And oh my goodness. But yeah, they have done a terrible job, Starwood, actually advertising where these hotels are. I definitely would have booked this on starwood.com, or you know, do the best rate guarantee or something. But so again, this is the Furnas. Furnas Boutique Hotel and Thermal Spa, and this is a twin room 111.